Welcome to another Revel University video tutorial. This video will cover Revel's delivery management and will highlight how to manage your delivery area, how to install and manage the dispatch and agent apps, and so much more. As with all of our tutorials, you can jump ahead to any topic that is most important to you. All of our videos have a table of contents listed below, or you can use the time bar to jump ahead. Before we begin, it's important to note that delivery management is a paid add-on feature. If you want more information, please contact your sales associate. Additionally, Revel currently offers two versions of delivery management: our original delivery management and our latest iteration called Delivery XT. This tutorial will focus on Delivery XT. For more information on delivery management, check out those links below. And finally, in the Management Console, the Revel Assistant can walk you through many of the settings from this tutorial. Just click the Need Help button at the bottom right and search for Delivery. Then the system will walk you through step-by-step how to set up delivery. Or you can follow along with the next steps in this tutorial. Alright, now let's learn a bit more about delivery management. With Revel's delivery management, you have full insight and control of your delivery operations by providing live tracking for your customers without having to use a third-party application. Our two-way integration with the new dispatching app, driver agent app, and the manager analytics work together with the already existing delivery management model we currently offer. Let's start by reviewing a few of the settings. First, to activate Delivery XT, you'll need to navigate to the Settings tab in the Management Console. Clear Selections and search for Delivery. Check the box on the left for Delivery XT to see all available settings on the right. On the right, be sure to check the box to activate. An Account ID box will appear after activating Captain. Enter your Captain account ID. You'll also want to set a delivery distance to indicate how far from your restaurant you'll allow deliveries. Find the setting Max Delivery Distance on the left and check the box. On the right, enter the maximum delivery distance in miles. If you'd like to measure in kilometers, check that option. And lastly, the driver role can only be created in the Revel Management Console. Under the Settings tab, enable the setting Delivery Driver and save when finished. Once enabled, this permission will appear in the Employees tab under POS Permissions. Make sure all driver roles have the Delivery Driver permission enabled and save when finished. Once created in Revel, it takes approximately 10 minutes to sync with the Captain portal before the drivers appear in Captain and other Revel delivery apps. Drivers will receive an email to reset their password once activated. Then you can begin assigning them delivery orders. Next up, we'll take a look at the Dispatch app. Before we install it, a few things to note. Only employees with the role of manager or dispatcher will be able to log into the Delivery XT Dispatch app. Only one dispatch app is required per location. Although the Delivery XT Dispatch app can be used on a phone, it's optimized for use on an iPad. For best performance, we recommend using the Dispatch app on a separate device from the POS. Now, to install the app from an iOS device, open the App Store. In the search field, type Delivery XT. Locate the Dispatch app and install. Managers and dispatchers will log into the app using the provided username and password from the introductory email. If you forget your password, it can be reset at captain.ai/users/password/new, also linked below. Or you can contact Revel support for assistance. Now let's take a look at some of the features in the Dispatch app. First, the gear icon allows you to access the app settings. By default, you'll see active drivers, but you can toggle between invited and deactivated agents as well. General settings allow you to customize fields to display, and map settings allow you to customize how your map displays. To return to the home page, click the X at the top left. Now you should see all active deliveries, but you can choose to see all future deliveries by clicking Scheduled. The order number, delivery address, and the time left to meet your delivery deadline also appear. Each order will be color-coded based on order status, as defined in the key. Click on the order to view order details such as customer info, items ordered, delivery address, and more. All available drivers that are clocked in will appear on the right. You can click on the driver to view their location and status. Any negative time amounts listed under drivers in the dispatch app is tracking how long the driver has been at the hub. To assign an order to a driver, click Dispatch at the bottom of the map. Then select the order from the left panel and Driver for the delivery and tap Assign. Once a driver is assigned, they will be listed at the top of the order on the left panel. The Revel Agent app is for those employees with the role of driver. This is where they will view their delivery orders. So each driver will need to install the app on either an iOS or Android device. To install, they'll need to open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Delivery XT and choose the Agent app to install. Drivers will use their login credentials to access their assigned orders. If they need to reset their password, they can use the link below or contact Revel support for assistance. Once installed, users will be prompted to enable location services if not already enabled. This must be enabled in order for them to use the Agent app. Now let's take a look at some of the features in the Agent app. The hamburger icon at the top left allows you to access the app settings, such as your profile and shifts that you've worked. At the top in the middle, you'll see the clock in, clock out status as synced from the POS. On the right, the phone icon allows the driver to contact the base location. The phone number will display. Just click Call to complete. As new jobs are assigned, they will pop up on screen for acceptance. Drivers cannot decline an order to move past this screen. They must choose Accept. Once the order is assigned, the order will appear in your queue, along with order details including the items ordered, the order total, and delivery address. Once all items are collected, choose Items Collected. Then the status will change to Collected, at which point the driver can proceed to the job route for full directions to the location. When the destination is reached and the items have been handed to the customer, click Items Delivered to update the status. When finished with the order, click Back to Base to view driving directions back to base. This will change the status in the dispatch app to returning, so the dispatcher or manager knows when to expect the driver back for additional deliveries. So how do all these apps tie together with the Revel point of sale? Let's consider the order flow to learn more. First, delivery drivers clock in through the POS to start their shift. This will automatically clock them in on the Agent app, which drivers will use on their mobile device to retrieve and track their delivery orders. As employees create delivery orders, they'll select a customer and a valid delivery address and phone number. Then when they press Send or Done, depending on the POS settings, the customer will receive a link via email. Or, if applicable, SMS communication can be enabled with a Twilio integration. For more information on this, please see that article linked below. Once the order has been saved on the POS, it will appear in the Dispatch app. Next, a delivery manager will assign orders to a driver in the Dispatch app by tapping Assign, then selecting the order and the desired driver. Once assigned a new order, the delivery driver will receive a new job on their Delivery XT Agent app. Once the order is ready, the driver collects the items in the Agent app. For the customer, the order status is updated to Out for Delivery. Once the order is delivered to the customer, the driver marks the items as delivered in the Agent app, and the customer sees the change in their order status. Finally, the delivery driver or manager checks the driver back in from their delivery using the delivery management screen on the POS. Upon check-in, the user will be prompted to close out the order, including any cash payments or tips. And that about covers delivery management in Revel. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and were able to follow along to complete the necessary steps. If you have any additional questions, please visit the related knowledge-based articles and tutorials linked below. Thanks for watching another Revel University video tutorial.